Good day to everyone. As promised, this time I'd like to tell and show you how did I manage to accomplish the mission of building some tracks in my garden. This was the first and the easiest. The pebbles path was the final stage of a very big and rather expensive project called our fish pond. As a proud author of this venture, I felt myself responsible and capable to accomplish this finishing touch. First, I had to withdraw about 10 centimeters of soil. All the remains of the rubber foil they used to work out the inside of the pond served as landscape fabric. I just had to perforate it to avoid that my walk path becomes a pond-side river each time by heavy rain. Then the grating to keep the stones on their place, and finally the stones. The whole enterprise took about 3 days, including half of a day waiting for the delivery of the pebbles. Doesn't look like nothing, huh? Conclusion: you are a road builder when you believe you are a road builder. So I captured the spirit and started my next assignment in the vegetable garden. For about 30 years I grow vegetables, and this is my 4th vegetable garden. And each of these years I made paths by walking on them. So finally, I've decided to be smart about this, to step off the mud and build myself some brand new paths. Money can build the roads in the sea. The hands can build the roads in the garden. Before beginning, some diligent preparation should be made. I give the timber which will serve as edging a long life care. The product I use is based on carboxylic acid, very deep penetrating. Good for wood, bad for hands, that's why double protection. Carboxyl provides protection against rot, decay, mold, algae growth, wood worm attacks. In the contrary to oils, stains, varnish or paint, no reapply required. And it is the cheapest among all preservative products for exterior wood I could find in the DIY store. While the timber is drying, I dig the channels. Alongside the strings, they line the final destination and the best way to get there. It is not exactly what you call a recreational activity, but hard jobs build strong people. And I do not have to do it every day. Little by little the mouse finishes the hide. Then making and rooting the pegs. Before I go any further, the landscape fabric, very essential. It will form the barrier between soil and chips, so that chips will not sink in soil. It will also form the weed block. The fabric is black. It does not let the sunlight through, and the stupid weeds will not be able to grow up towards the sun. This one is woven. It will allow the rainwater to slip through, and it has nice blue stripes, easy to cut alongside them. It took me about 10 days of determined, intense and resolute work. But since it was done, I enjoy every step in my kitchen garden. And each time myself tells me, do not underestimate a woman at mission. Thanks for watching me, and see you later in Mama's garden.